Dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have seen my previous video, let's continue with second video. I have arrived at the PTP Professional Transport Platform School at Lublin, Poland. Travelled by bus from Warsaw to Lublin, 100 zloty. Welcome to Professional Transport Platform. I did the long course 3:130 approx. Let me take you to the hostel where I will be staying till the test.
Good morning.
Hostel package costs 900 zł 30 days 50 zł per day. Day 1 registration process starts. Stats from psychotest cost 150 zł. This is where you will be giving psychotest. Once you pass test, take the certificate. And then for medical test cost 200 zł. Once you have a both psycho test and medical certificate, finally you apply for PKZ driver profile certificate cost 150 zł at the Communication and Transport Department, which takes 1 to 2 days. You can't start your class without PKZ. So we wait.